No criminal charges against the state attorney general. A special prosecutor assigned to the case has cleared Curtis Hill of any wrongdoing, while at the same time saying he believed the women's stories. Call 6 Chief Investigator Rafael Sanchez joins us now with the latest.
And Erica, the women will seek a civil lawsuit, but at this point, nothing has been filed. The bigger question tonight at 6, what rules govern how the people you elect to the State House or work in the State House follow when there's a case of sexual harassment? Current rules? They're weak. In 29 days, a bipartisan group of legislators are to submit recommendations on sexual harassment prevention policies. Here's the next thing. There will be training as part of this, annual training for members of the General Assembly. No details on whether that's done online or in a group setting. And the policy is to be approved by November the 20th. It is unclear if the policy will hold state office holders accountable, like the governor, the Secretary of State, the auditor, to those rules. Questions being raised tonight in light of what happened.
I have elected not to prosecute Mr. Hill.
Special Prosecutor Dan Sigler has closed the case involving Attorney General Curtis Hill. Despite talking with 56 witnesses and a videotaped interview with Hill, the special prosecutor says he could not pursue a criminal case in court even though he believed the complaints from the 4 women.
I did find them to be credible.
The women claim Hill inappropriately touched them at an Indianapolis bar in March. They now plan to file a civil lawsuit against the state and Hill.
Hoosiers know what is right. We know that the egregious behavior exhibited by Curtis Hill is wholly unacceptable. We can and should do better.
We've put ourselves out there, we've put our jobs and our reputations on the line, and just to be told that, you know, you're believed, but there's nothing we can do. So we're just taking that next step.
A separate 25-page report from the Inspector General cited the women's complaints in detail, including an Attorney General who, based on the report, had consumed considerable alcohol that evening, and witnesses questioning his behavior. In the end, the Inspector General concluded the public and others will judge whether the evidence in this case disqualifies Hill from holding elected office in the future. The legal team for Attorney General Curtis Hill issued an immediate response, saying, "We never doubted that Hill would be cleared of any alleged crimes."
And tonight at 6, the state's 2 top elected Republican leaders, the Speaker of the House, Brian Bosma, the Governor, Eric Holcomb, they stand by their call for Curtis Hill to resign.